Hey guys, so today, yesterday I gave you a basic tutorial on Macs, and it was just the absolute basics, the things you need to know how to function the computer. But today I'm going to teach you a tutorial on iWork, Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. These are Apple applications. Microsoft counterparts are right here, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And iWork. Pages is Word, pretty much. Numbers is Excel. Keynote is pretty much PowerPoint. So, I'm going to start with Pages. Blank. Choose. Alright, so the first thing is it's really easy to type. And, like, let's say I don't like this font. Let's say I like Comic Sans. No one likes Comic Sans, but what the heck. You can increase the font by clicking Command plus, or you can also manually do it by doing this, increasing the font size over here. And yeah, so now you know how to increase font size. And the color, how to change the color. So I'm going to start here with the basic thing. Right now it's at black, but if you want to change the color, turn the grayscale slider all the way up to white. So now it's white. Say I want it in red, and I also want a little bit of darker red. So that's what I'm gonna have. And that's pretty much the most basic way. But then there's also this RGB sliders. You manually input the red RGB, and then grayscale slider, make it darker and lighter. But let me just go back to my basic red. Right. And then say you don't want to do any of that stuff. I just want this. Well, you're in luck. You're going to hit any of these default colors that Apple gives you. There's also the crayons, which are also right here. They're in crayons, like they look like crayons. Salmon, maraschino, cayenne, asparagus, and there's a lot. Yeah. And then there's also spectrum, which is just like a rainbow. It's honestly what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna keep my red because I like red. It's my favorite color. And so yeah, if you are for some reason typing a paper or something like that, you're going to type in here, and then you're going to click Write Justified, and yeah, and then you might want to go back to the left and then start typing. But I mean, Pages is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you just write. I mean, there's really nothing to write. I mean, there's really nothing more to it. But yeah, this is just a basic document, and yeah, there's nothing more to this. I mean, double spacing, it's all there. Now, if you have any questions about it, leave them to me in the comments if I didn't get something. Now, I'm going to pick a new template. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, sorry, no. I did forget one thing. If you want to add a picture, I'm just going to click Media. And well, I'm just adding music because I really didn't have any folders. And so you just click it. Yeah, I'm obsessed with ERB, so I really hope they're not watching this. Yeah, I hope they're not watching this. Anyways, file, new, and I'm going to do this one. What the heck? Okay. So found dog, yeah. And how about, this is a placeholder image. So I'm gonna take an image, I'm just gonna download one right now because I cannot find one. I don't have any images of a dog because this is a fairly new computer. And then to take, just select an image, hold it over the placeholder, and then it's there. And then, yeah, these templates are really cool. You just double click on the part you want to edit, and then type in what dog. You can also do voice control. But I don't really recommend doing voice control. It usually messes up. I don't know how it didn't mess up. But anyways, you're going to, it is a cute dog and it looks like this. So yeah, it's really, the template usually you just have to replace all the placeholders and it'll be really cool. Like, this is obviously not a real phone number, it's just a placeholder. I don't want to give away my phone number. And that is obviously not my dog because I just looked it up on Google. I could have uploaded a picture of my dog, but I was too lazy. So anyways, to close pages, remember you're gonna click Command Q, and you're gonna save them if you really want to. Click Command S, and then save them in like your desktop and call it Found Dog. But I don't want to save it because I have no use. So I'm just gonna delete it and quit it. Next is numbers. Alright, I thought Keynote was next. Not now. Usually I just use blank. So, let's say you want to have, no, don't use tips. Use this video. So just, I'm trying to think of a good topic. Oh my god, what the heck? This experiment we did in like elementary school. So, and then you're just gonna type in and then, yeah, I'm just making up numbers, obviously. After, yeah, oh, yeah, blah, 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 blah. And say 6.3. And now, if you have all your data in, you're gonna click File. Chart right here. No, first, I'm forgetting things. You're gonna click Select Table Cells, and now you're gonna click Chart. So this data is for a line graph. So yeah. So this is group 1's before, group 2's before. Really, you can see how much, yeah. Alright, whatever. And you can also switch them around by I really like doing scatter graphs. That's just thereafter. Anyways, so numbers is pretty cool. It's just like Excel. You just select them. Anyways, next, Keynote. This is my favorite iLife application. It's also probably the second hardest after Excel. Also the second easiest. You know what? Let's do gradient. So let's just first, I'm guessing we all know how to add slides, but if you don't keep watching, and if you do keep watching, so keep watching. Anyway, so you're just gonna click you're gonna add a new slide right here, and you're gonna click the template that you want. I want this one. It's pretty basic. So adding slides is really easy, and yeah, but really, yeah, so it's really easy. It's really easy to add new slides, but the thing is, if you play this, it's really boring. It just switches between these two things. You know, I want to have a great cool thing. If you want to animate this, you're gonna click animate, and you're gonna add a built-in effect. I like anvil for some reason. It's really cool. And built-in effect. Comment. Alright, so, and I'm gonna add a transition between these two slides. But I'll do that after I'm done animating. Let's do anvil. I like comment and anvil, they're really cool. No. I'm gonna have flame. And then you can do by bullet if you really want it. And then, yeah. Anyways, so that's Keynote. And again, if I forgot something, just say it in the comments, because I probably did. And yeah, you can also insert tables, charts, but usually it's just easier to import it from numbers, text box, shapes. Say I want a random star here. I'm not communist, I promise. Yeah, and it's cool because you can make it look like it's on the ground. Anyways. And again, Command S to save. So, I'm just gonna go through this in case I forgot something. Yeah, I don't think I forgot anything. So, yeah, that's all it is. Oh, I forgot transitions. Transitions, just click add a transition. Like, you're gonna click animate, but then you just it'll be animate, it'll be anvil, and then you click this, just click outside of all the box to go to transitions. Let's say I want the, where is it? Where is the perspective one? That used to be my favorite. I don't know if they kept it. I will just keep clothesline. I've never used that one. I'll just use dissolve. No, I'm gonna use. Sorry, I'm really Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. And you can add one to this one too. Object cube. All right, so now I'll play the whole thing. This looks way cooler than what it was before, doesn't it? Anyways, yeah, that looks way cooler, doesn't it? Anyways, that was your basic tutorial on iWork, which is a very helpful tool if you're working in an office. But a lot of people prefer these three, Microsoft Office, but I have no preference. So, anyways, there it is. Thanks for watching.